Did I just get on my forehead? Okay, got your back if you got short hair. So, whew, and boom, you have the cutest. Hi, I'm Mallory Brooke, makeup artist and content creator here on YouTube, and today I'm going to show you how I get my favorite hairstyle for summer. Okay, it's so cute with short hair. I've been really playing around with my short hairstyles, and I posted this on Instagram recently, and I got a few of you asking me to do a quick tutorial, so that's what today is. All you're going to need is a couple of clear elastics and bobby pins and kind of know how to braid just a little bit. Today I'm going to be doing a Dutch braid at the top, so if you would like to see the basics of braiding, I will have my in-depth braiding tutorials linked below. But if you already know how to braid, let's get into it. So I'm starting out with a hairstyle that I wear a lot. Actually, it's my hairstylist waves. I will also link that tutorial below. What did I just get on my forehead? Okay, so that's what we're starting out with. I'm going to start braiding. You don't even need a brush, honestly. The more texture with this style, the cooler it looks. It gets the hair out of your face, and if your hair is too short to actually put it up all the way, which if you want to, and you wanna know how to get everything out of your face, I will link my short bun hair tutorial below. So I've got your back if you got short hair. So first, we're just gonna kind of finger brush our hair. I'm starting with a middle part, so make sure you just part your hair in the middle. And I'm gonna grab a section and scooch out a little bit. Yes, now that's the angle. Now you guys can really see. So I'm gonna grab a small section here, and you're just gonna, classic braid, but today we're gonna do a Dutch braid. So that's gonna go, sections are going under each other. So under, and I like to do a full braid right there before I start picking up pieces. And I'm grabbing the smallest little pieces to do my Dutch braid with, to lay flat to my head. And the key here is to really hold your braid tight as you go. So I'm just grabbing small little sections, and I'm gonna stop grabbing further down right after this section here. I'm gonna start grabbing and going towards the back of my head because I want it like a row. I don't want it to start going down, So that's really the key here. Now for this section here on the outside, I'm not gonna grab like this. I'm gonna grab right underneath it. So it continues to be a straight line instead of going down the side of my head. And just holding that tight, picking up small sections. And now I'm gonna stop picking up sections and go ahead and finish off the braid here. Just a few more underpasses. And I'm gonna stop right here, right before I get to the back of my head, grab my clear elastic, and I'm gonna do a ponytail. And then I'm just gonna pull this tight and kind of pull the braid apart. And now I'm gonna speed up the process. I'm gonna speed this up, get this row up, and I'm gonna show you what we do next. All right, I am finished with both sides of the braids, and whew, they are so cute, like just on their own. You could totally wear this on its own, right? I'm already sweating from doing this with my air conditioning off. This is why I love finding ways to get my hair out of my face. Then I just start to take this section here, and it's kind of like a faux undercut. So you're gonna take this top part, twist it once, take this bottom part, twist it over, and you're gonna continue this twist until you're right where that ponytail will start falling. And then you're gonna take your bobby pin, open it up, go towards the back of the head, and then push it towards the face. You're gonna jackknife it, and one bobby pin will hold that twist in place. I'm telling you, get the jackknifing down and it will save your life, okay? Been doing it probably since I was a teenager, and whew, it saves a life. Okay, so take this top section, twist it once, and then you're gonna take this bottom half, twist it over, and start twisting until you can feel where your ponytail is gonna fall, and that's really the key to get it to look like it's almost like an undercut. And then you're just gonna secure that twist right there, jackknife that bobby pin. That should be the color of your hair, so that really helps with the end result as well. And boom, you have the cutest little half updo for summer for short hair. Look at, ow, I mean, the way it falls, you know, give you like second day waves. This is the perfect hairstyle for that. It's also great for like a pool day. Like, look how cute. Doesn't it look like a little undercut and everything? And it's even cute in the back. What? Anyway, I'm so happy with this little half updo concoction I came up with. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I would love to have you in this beautiful, wonderful, positive community we have created here on YouTube. And let me know what you would like to see next as far as hair tutorials. I love doing just single, easy hair tutorials. And again, if you don't know how to braid, I will have my braiding in-depth tutorials linked below so you can learn how to braid. Just be patient with yourself. You will get the hang of it and you will be able to do hairstyles like this. And it's so fun. So, all right. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. Until then, enjoy your cute new hairstyle. You're welcome. Whew. All right.